Welcome back friends. Here is the next topic of discussion is Golgi apparatus. In this lecture I'm going to explain some important points and some facts about the Golgi apparatus. The first point is why the Golgi apparatus is called traffic police of the cell. What is cisternae? What is Golgi vesicles? And what is the function of the Golgi apparatus and what is Golgi secretions? Okay, let's start the topic. The point number first is that why the Golgi apparatus is known as traffic police of the cell. What is the function of the traffic police? The traffic police just check the passengers. If everything is alright, then the passengers goes on their ways. Just as the traffic police, the Golgi apparatus check the protein molecules, pack the proteins molecules, modify the proteins molecules. If the amino acids of the proteins is good, if the sequence of amino acids of the protein is good, is right, then these proteins are modified and packed and then extract out as a Golgi vesicle. So just like the traffic police, the Golgi apparatus is doing the same work. So that's why the Golgi apparatus is known as traffic police of the cell. If we talk about the functions of the organelles inside the cells, the whole organelles of the cells works together. So let's suppose this is a plasma membrane of cell and this is the intracellular space. It means that here is the cytoplasm and some other organelles are present inside the cell. What's it's the plasma membrane. Inside the plasma membrane, inside the cell, the non-viscous and non-transparent fluid is known as cytoplasm. So in the cytoplasm there is a set of flattened sacs. There is a set of flattened sacs and this set is known as, this one is known as cisternae. What's its mean? Its name is cisternae. The set of flattened sac inside the cytoplasm or inside the cell is known as cisternae. And here is another organelle and its name is endoplasmic reticulum. Two types of endoplasmic reticulum. A complete lecture on the endoplasmic reticulum is also available on this lecture. So you can see the whole discussion of endoplasmic reticulum and the link of this video will be added in the description. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum and the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is rough due to the presence of the ribosome. So the ribosomes attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesize the protein. What's the function of ribosome? The function of ribosome is the synthesis of the protein. So the ribosomes synthesizes the protein. So here is the proteins are formed by the ribosomes. These proteins molecules are sent to the Golgi apparatus are sent to the cisternae. The protein molecules are formed by the ribosomes attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum and they are sent to the Golgi apparatus or they are sent to the cisternae. These protein molecules runs into these flattened sacs membrane and then after that if the amino acids of some protein is not good, is not at their original positions, then it is modified. Then the sequence of amino acid sequence is modified, sequence is modified and the protein is packed, is modified and the protein molecules packed are packed by the cisternae. Then these molecules are buried off from another part of the Golgi vesicles, another part of the Golgi apparatus, and this is known as Golgi vesicles. What's its name? Its name is the Golgi vesicles. The Golgi vesicles and The cisternae. The Golgi vesicles and cisternae combines together and they are known as Golgi apparatus. What is Golgi apparatus? The cisternae together along with cisternae plus Golgi apparatus, sorry, Golgi vesicles is known as Golgi apparatus. And the last point is, who discovers the Golgi apparatus? The Golgi apparatus was discovered by the Camillo Golgi in 1898, and the Camillo Golgi gets the Nobel Prize in 1906. So this is the lecture on the Golgi apparatus. So if you have any sort of question related to this topic, you can ask in the comment box. Allah Hafiz.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.